Hello friends, today we will do some memory based questions from the IIT JAM 2021 examination. One such question we got is we have to find S, and S is given to be limit as n goes to infinity 1 minus 1 over 2 square, 1 minus 1 over 3 square, 1 minus 1 over 4 square, and so on till 1 minus 1 over n square. Each term is in the form of a square minus b square, which can be written as a plus b, a minus b. So now let us solve for s. Using this identity, we can write s as 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 plus 1 by 3, so on till the last two terms will be, and the last term will be. Now solving these things, we arrive at this will be 1 by 2, this will be 3 by 2, this will be 2 by 3, this will be 4 by 3, and the next term will be 3 by 4, and so on till n minus 2, n minus 1. This will be n over n minus 1, this will be n minus 1 over n, and the last term will be n plus 1 over n. Now look at these terms, this cancels. So now we are left with only these terms. So s is limit as n goes to infinity 1 over 2, and all the other terms cancels and the last term remains, so we have n plus 1 over n. Now this can be easily solved for s as limit as goes to n goes to infinity 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 over n, which is 1 by 2. So s is 1 by 2. So this is how we can solve this question. Each term can be written as a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b, and then all the other terms will cancel. Thank you so much.